Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you all are doing well in your life. So guys, today in this video you can see very stylish, unique, trendy and eye-catching nail and foot toenail art designs and many different designs and ideas about nail polish collection here in this video. So guys, watch my video till end, and if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel first of all, and then watch my video. If you like it, then like this video, subscribe my channel and share my video to your loved ones and friends. So guys, this video is full of very stylish and unique nail polish colors collection and very stylish toenail art designs and ideas. If you are nail polish lover, then this video is very unique and especially for you. So guys, pick up the ideas and follow on your fingertips and foot toenails arts and enhance your beauty, personality and boost up your confidence. So guys, watch my video till end and also subscribe my channel and give me your comments and your opinion about this video. Your comments are also very valuable for me. So guys, keep watching, stay blessed, take care.